Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Woodforest Bank's online banking account. So first of all, open any web browser on your mobile device or a desktop and type in woodforest.com and hit enter. After that, it will take you to this page, which is the official homepage of Woodforest Bank. And right over here under the logo of Woodforest National Bank, you can see a box where it is written online banking. So click on login. Then it will take you to this page where you'll have to enter your username, password, and once you click login, you'll be successfully able to log in to your Woodforest Bank's online banking account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information and helpful videos like these.